Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, I hope vocabulary is going on very well. Today we will begin from 106 to 120.
Our first word is mass. Mass का मतलब होता है बड़े पैमाने पर और ये noun है. Meanings are a body of coherent matter, usually of indefinite shape and often of considerable size. Sentences: their bodies were later found incinerated and buried in mass graves outside of town. Synonyms are pile, heap, stack, clump, cloud, bunch, bundle, lump. Antonyms are dissolution, fraction, individual, one opening, part. Next word is mounting. Mounting का मतलब होता है बढ़ते हुए, increasing. ये भी एक noun है. Meanings are the act of a person or thing that mounts. Sentences: confusion about who is financially backing the project is mounting. इस प्रोजेक्ट को कौन चला रहा है उसके बारे में जो confusion है वो बढ़ रही है. Synonyms are increase, grow, rise, escalate, soar, spiral, leap up, shoot up, rocket, climb, accumulate, accrue, pile up, build up, multiply, intensify, swell. Antonyms are decrease, lessen, lower, descend, alight, decline, dismount, drop, fall. Next word is minimum. इसका मतलब होता है कम से कम. ये भी एक noun है. Meanings are the least quantity or amount possible, assignable, allowable or the like. Sentences: he was treated like an immigrant, working for minimum wage, missing his family and having to move on from his musical career. Synonyms are minimal, least, smallest, least possible, slightest, lowest, rock bottom, minutest. And antonyms are largest, maximum, most. Next word is maim. Tabahi, tabahal. The crime of willfully inflicting a bodily injury on another so as to make the victim less capable of self-defense, or under modern statutes so as to cripple or mutilate the victim. किसी को अपने सेल्फ डिफेंस के काबिल ना रहने देना, मतलब उसकी हड्डी तोड़ देना, माजूर बना देना, मेम होता है. Antagonisms between the various factions at the meeting finally boiled over. दो मुखालिफ ग्रुपों में. Synonyms are chaos, disorder, confusion, havoc, bedlam, pandemonium, tumult, uproar, turmoil, madness, madhouse, hullabaloo, wild, disarray, disorganization, maelstrom, trouble, disturbance, commotion, riot, anarchy, destruction, violence. Antonyms are calm, peace, harmony. Next word is miniature. Miniature होता है छोटे साइज का, छोटे कद का. जैसे हम किसी बड़ी चीज को छोटी प्रेजेंटेशन में लेके आते हैं वो मिनिएचर है. ये फाइन आर्ट्स में एक कॉमन एक ट्रेंड है मिनिएचर बनाना. Meanings are a representation or image of something on a small or reduced scale. Sentence is she made a miniature of a bungalow. Synonyms are small scale, scale down, mini, tiny, little, small, minute, baby, toy, pocket, fun size, midget, dwarf, pygmy, minuscule, microscopic, nanoscopic, micro, diminutive, reduced, Lilliputian. Antonyms are baby, midget, model, toy, insignificancy, pocket, addition. Next word is mumbled. Mumbling होता है बुड़बुड़ाना, मुंह में बुड़बुड़ करना. ऐसी सिचुएशन जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज हो, गड़बड़ा गए हो तो बोल ना सके, उसको भी mumble कहते हैं. It's a verb. Meanings are to speak in a low, indistinct manner, almost to an unintelligible extent. Mutter. ऐसे बोलना कि सुनने वाला समझ ना सके क्या बोला है. Sentences: he mumbled something about expenses. Synonyms are mutter, murmur, speak indistinctly, talk under one's breath, speak sotto voce, talk to oneself. Antonyms are speak clearly, be quiet, and listen. Next word is meditated. Meditation होता है सोच विचार करना. Meanings are to engage in transcendental meditation, devout religious contemplation, or quiescent spiritual introspection. Sentence is: they prayed or meditated but did not chant slogans or talk to each other in order to skirt the blanket ban on public assembly. Synonyms are contemplate, think about, consider, ponder, cogitate, muse. Antonyms are ignore, neglect, disbelieve, disregard, forget, dismiss. Next word is molded. Molded होता है किसी को मोड़ देना, जैसे मेटल्स होती हैं उनका मोल्ड बनाते हैं, या जो कास्ट प्रिपेयर होता है आर्थोपेडिक्स में मोल्ड तैयार करना, ढांचा या खोल बनाना. That's a noun. A hollow form or matrix for giving a particular shape to something in a molten or plastic state. Sentences: they saw that a bill had practically been thrown to the house to be molded into shape by debate. Synonyms are shape, form, fashion, model, work, construct, frame, make, create, configure, manufacture, design, sculpt, sculpture, throw. Antonyms are combine, unite, increase, join, mend, sew. Next word is menacing. Khatarnak, tabakun, it's a noun. Something that threatens to cause evil, harm, injury, etc. are threat. Sentences: when he gets behind the wheel of a car, he's a real menace. Synonyms are threaten, be a danger to, put at risk, jeopardize, imperil, loom over. Antonyms are remote, aiding, assisting, helping, unthreatening. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज नोएसेंस. परेशानी, ऐसी चीज जो आपको परेशान कर रही हो, जिसकी वजह से आप अपसेट हो, वो नोएसेंस होती है. एन obnoxious or annoying person, thing, condition or practice. Snorting generators are a great nuisance for the people of town. Synonyms are pain, pain in the neck, annoyance, pest, bother. Antonyms are advantage, aid, cheer, comfort, convenience, good health, happiness, help, joy, pleasure, delight, pleasantry. Next one is naive. भोली भाली या भोला भाला, सादा लौ. Meanings are having or showing unaffected simplicity of nature or absence of artificiality, unsophisticated, ingenious. Sentence is: she is so naive that she believes everything she reads. Synonyms are innocent, unsophisticated, artless, ingenious, inexperienced, guileless, unworldly. Antonyms are aware, experienced, intelligent, knowledgeable, sophisticated, leery, skeptical, wise. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज नेटिव. अबाई. हर कोई अपने कल्चर से जो बाउंड होता है वो उस जगह से के हवाले से उसे नेटिव कहेंगे. Meanings are being the place or environment in which a person was born or a thing came into being. Sentences: native guides accompanied the expedition through the rainforest. Synonyms are domestic, homegrown, homemade, home, local, indigenous, endemic. Antonyms are auxiliary, minor, secondary, unimportant, alien, foreign, outside. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज नोजियस. मतली यानी कै आना, ऐसी फीलिंग के वॉमिट आ रही हो, उसको नोजियस कहते हैं. मीनिंग्स आर अफेक्टेड विद नोजिया, नोजियाटिक, वॉमिट लाइक. Sentences: it took me like 5 or 6 times to actually watch it, but when I watch it, I still get nauseous. Synonyms are pain, pain in the neck, annoyance, pest, bother. Antonyms are advantage, aid, cheer, comfort, convenience, good health, happiness, help, joy, pleasure, delight, pleasantry. Next word is negate. नफी करना, किसी चीज का इनकार करना. Meaning that to deny the existence, evidence or truth of something. Sentence is an investigation tending to negate any supernatural influences. Synonyms are undo, reverse, annul, void, revoke, rescind, abrogate, repeal, retract, countermand, overrule, overturn. Antonyms are allow, approve, do, help, permit, prove, save, validate, agree, aid, assist, conform, corroborate, enact, establish.
At the end of the lecture, I hope you have understood all the vocabulary words very well. Best of luck.